This video will guide you through the installation of the software and the activation of your device. Before you begin, please ensure that the data cable and power adapter are properly connected and that the device is powered on. Once these steps are complete, double-click the UUNA software installation package and click Next to start the automatic software installation. After the software installation is finished, double-click the UUNA software icon to open the software. Then it will ask you to select machine. Just click the Confirm Choice button to enter the software. The software will automatically connect to the device. Once the connection is successful, you can see a disconnect button in the right. Next, let's create an account. Click the Register button to access the registration page. Enter your username and password and confirm your password. Each machine includes one license. To retrieve your machine ID, go back to the software, click Help, and then select Machine Information. You will see the machine ID displayed. Click Copy and return to the registration page. Paste the machine ID into the license field. Next, enter your email address and click Send. Then, check your email for the confirmation code, enter it into the field, and click Register. In the pop-up window, click Accept and Register, and your browser will confirm that the registration was successful. Please make sure to remember your username and password. Finally, return to the software, click User, and log into your account. After entering your username and password, you may choose to remember username and remember password for easier access next time. With these steps completed, you are now ready to start using the software.